Good morning, my people. I have arrived home safely. Thank you very much. I'm walking around and the compound. I want to check the situation of the rural home. Thank you very much for being part of the team watching my video. Welcome. I have a team and the village with you. We are walking around with the young boys. I need to teach them, to show them how to stay, how to behave in the village. So I'm going around. I'm going deep into the forest, into the lower part of the farm where the river is situated, because I want to check on the situation. We have the beehive, so I want to check the beehive to see if we can do the harvesting today. Thank you very much. Let's walk around. As you can see right from behind, it's rural. It's a rural home, rural life. We are here, we are walking around. I'll show you far away there. You can see some young girls are moving around. Let's get around. Come on, come on, come on around. I need to show you something, boys. Just come around, just come around, just come around. Come around and introduce yourself. Yeah, we have the team here. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
How are you?
Hello.
Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Your name?
Hello. My name is Sunil Kimtai Sagas.
Aya,
My name
come
is Kami Kipkamboi.
Hiya, come around. Hello.
My name
we
is
got-
Kale Kumtai Sagas.
Hiya, let me see this. Hi, hi, hi. Everybody come here.
Here's my
Yes.
cousin.
Say, yeah? Your cousin.
He's my
Everybody
cousin.
here is a cousin, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, behind there. Let's see
Hello,
who's that behind there, the young man.
The young man is Kibet.
It's Fabi. Let's walk around. Come on. Taking you somewhere.
To the bees. We're going to the bees.
You going? Tell them, tell them.
We're going to the bees to see the bees.
You going to check there?
Yes.
We're going to check the situation of the
The
beehives.
bees. The bees make
Yeah, so
honey
that-
and we make the honey.
Hold this for me, hold this for me. Hold this for me. The bees, they make what?
Honey. And we
They
make,
make-
the money.
They make, can you say again?
The bee make the honey and we make the money.
Ah, the bees, say that again.
The bee make the honey and the honey makes the money.
Money for us. So let's get around and see. Let's step. Just check the situation. Very beautiful here. We are in the. Come around and see. Come around and see. It's very good scenery. The young boys are here. We are teaching them how to stay in the village. Let's get around and see what to do. Let's keep going, man. Let's keep going. Oh, the boys. You say we are going where? To see the beehives, right?
Yes.
Let's go slowly. You know, come around. You know, bees are dangerous. Eh? They don't need to be. You don't make noise. Come around. Let's get around. Come, hold on. Let's move slowly. Let's move slowly. Hey, come. Let's move. I'm the one who is supposed to be ahead. Let's move slowly and see. You can see. Yes. Just come slowly. Just don't follow me that far. Eh? Yes, my subscribers, as you can see, deep into the forest, we have the beehives. Yeah, beautiful scenery there. Let's walk around. Hey, young man, let's walk around slowly. Let's go slowly and see. Check out. Yeah. This is another one. Hey, this one has bees, eh?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Then,
Here are the bodyguards.
yeah, just walk slowly, eh? Hello, Kale. Let's walk slowly. Yes. Check it, Kale. Come around. Kimtai. This is the beehive. We call it?
Beeary.
We call it the beehive. Let me zoom around for you guys to see the bees. As you can see, the bees are moving around. Okay. Let's check it, check it. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. I don't know whether you can see the bees are moving. They are going to searching for nectar and coming back to make the honey. We need the honey. Just do me a favor, eh? Back off, eh? Back off, back off. Back off. Just back off, eh? For your safety. Let me just move closely and show my subscribers, eh? Yes, the beehives. Right into the forest we have the beeary. This is how we did it. Yes. Yes. That's the situation. That's the situation. The boys have retreated back because of the bees. Me, one by one. Be careful, eh? Yeah. You can see right behind. Very beautiful. The boys are coming slowly. Slowly and slowly. You are going into the forest trail. You are walking. Hold on, eh? Let's come around slowly. It's actually very steep. Be careful, you don't fall down, eh? Come slowly. Oh. We were going into the forest, walking around. The boys are enjoying. It is called nature walk, eh? Nature? Going into the forest. Are there birds? Can you watch birds here? Eh? Do you have wild animals? Really?
No. No.
Like monkey. This one is a wild animal. You can see. You can see the butterfly. That one. The butterfly. The white butterfly. Yeah, nice one. Nice one behind. Yeah. Deep into the forest. Come slowly, guys. Yeah, here we used to. Before we built the beehive, we had a beehive here. The beehive was here, and then we built the beehive. And we had to transfer all the we call what do we call the beehive. This is so beautiful, eh? Hey guys, come, just come. Don't stay behind, eh? Get close to me. You can check it, see? The forest, a fallen tree. You can see?
Yes.
It's very beautiful here. Yes. Get close. And I can see something. Just come around again. Huh? Hey. Yes, guys, come around. Come now, we talk. Do you like beekeeping? Beekeeping is good, eh?
Yes.
What else do you guys do in the village?
Farming.
You do farming?
Yes.
What kind of farming? You plant what?
Maize.
You tell them you plant?
Maize, potatoes.
Yes. You plant you have oranges?
Yes.
And today we spray the oranges, okay?
Yes.
We also have what again? We have bananas. What else do we have? Eh? What do you have at home?
Maize.
We have maize,
Potato.
potatoes, beans,
Rice.
and what again? You guys, you don't grow rice. Stop telling us that you go. There is no coconut. Where you stop telling me there is coconut? We don't have coconut here. Coconuts are
Sukuma wiki.
Sukuma wiki are kales. In English, we call them kales. Let's walk around, young man. Eh? If you are tired, you go back. Right? We have a beehive. Right in the forest, we have a beehive. Just check it. Check it. Yeah? Very beautiful, right into the forest. Hello there. How you doing? It's beautiful, eh? Come around, come. Let's take a walk. We are having fun, eh?
Yes.
Are you guys enjoying?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Right into the
Forest.
right into the
Forest.
and we have a river bank here. Just check it behind. We have water is flowing behind me. Yeah? Guys, come. Come, help yourself, eh? Help, just hold your hands and let's move slowly. Let's move slowly. Welcome to the channel and please subscribe to my channel. My channel is called Adventures Sagas. We are having...
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Yes. Tell them, come around.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe
and
like
this video.
and like this video. This channel is called Adventures Sagas. Adventures
Sagas.
Adventures
Sagas.
Don't forget to
Like and share
and subscribe. We are having adventures right into the forest. We are walking in the forest with these young men. I'm teaching them, I'm trying to show them how to survive in the village. They actually know it and they're taking me around. See? Right there. Let's walk around, guys. I show you something. Hey. Let's continue going around it. Okay. Yes. You see? Come, hold my hand. You see the forest is so good. We have a very nice tree here, a very big one. We're walking around. Can we have a rest here? Yes, I can see somewhere we can sit down. Just have a seat, eh? I'm coming around, eh? Yeah, you guys have a seat there. I'm coming around, eh? Let me check on something here. I'm coming around. Yes, guys, just see what we do deep in the forest. This is what we do. This is the beehive. Yes. Do we have bees in this beehive? Yes. Oh, let's walk around. See, just check it. I don't know this one whether we actually have the bees. Yes, right there we have the bees. As you can see them. Let me back off. Before we built the beehive, we actually was using that one. This is the main entrance to the beehive. I'm walking slowly to show you guys, so that I don't scare them. Let me just speak slowly and see. I don't know whether I can do this and show you guys. Oh. Without getting inside. Oh. Let's go around. You can actually see them. They are coming out and going. This is right deep into the forest. See? Right deep into the forest. It is calm here. The only thing you can hear is the trees whistling. The birds are singing around. Yes. And the boys are seated right there in the forest. They are seated right there. Yes, we are having fun. Hey boys, we are having
Fun.
Can you tell them we are having
Fun.
Let's move around. Can you stay there? Stay there, stay there. Stay there a bit. Hey, hey, hey. Tell them to subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to this channel and like and share.
Subscribe to this channel and like and share.
Yes.
We are bringing you beautiful contents right from the village, right from the rural part of Kenya, East Africa. I want to show you. We have a river bank. Come around, guys. Right in the river, there is a small river bank. Water is actually flowing nicely, and we have this kind of trees. You see, very nice one. Let's go around, guys.
Come, faster.
A fallen tree. Fallen tree. Hey guys, come around. Guys, we're still walking around. Very beautiful scenery. You're walking around the forest. Just see it for yourself. Very beautiful. Let's pass the other side, Let's pass. That place is muddy. Come through here. Oh. Wait, let me make a way for you. Let me make a way for you. Let me cut some. Guys, as you can see, deep into the forest. I'm trying to make a way so that I'm trying to create a passage. Just be careful, Don't injure yourself. Just be careful. Is the way clear now? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, very beautiful scenery. Right deep into the forest with the boys. With the boys. The boys. The boys. Can you follow my trails,
Yes.
Follow my trails and see. Right behind, very quiet, very beautiful scenery. Hello there. Hello. How are you? How you doing? Yeah? Is anybody feeling thirsty?
Yes.
I'm feeling thirsty. Yes.
There is some.
Come around. We need one by one. We need to take water. I need to drink some water, right? Wait first. I'm the first one. Right behind me, we have a spring of clean water. Wait, it's slippery. You can fall down. Let me just take. Very slippery. Just take. Let me turn the camera so that you can see well. Okay, let me move slowly. I need to take some water, wash my hands. Oh. Clean water. Oh. One by one? You can take the water one by one. Just be careful, Slowly. Yeah. Wash your hands well. Aya, you can drink. Please check it. Right. Clean water from the spring. Hey. Just move slowly. You'll fall down. Next. After hard work, after doing very hard work, walking right into the forest, it is time to quench our thirsts. How does it feel like? Can Can you tell? Sweet and cool and sweet. Oh, he's taking a lot, you guys. Hey, you must have been very thirsty, eh? Another one. Next. Yes, the boys were very thirsty after taking a walk in the forest, after taking a nature walk. It's time to quench our thirst. Can you help the young boy? Help the young boy. You can. How does it feel like?
Tasty and it is good.
Yeah, how does it feel like?
Tasty and it is good.
Oh, next.
Next, Caleb.
You come around. Hold his hand so that he doesn't fall down. Help him. Oh, yes. You see, he knows. You take water, drink it.
Drink.
You don't feel thirsty? Drink a bit. Drink. Take it and drink, eh? Oh, right. Let's go. We can move ahead, eh? What is it?
Crab.
Where is it?
Here.
Slowly, let's check on it. Crab. Yeah, yes, exactly. Let me zoom it. You letting it go. We have a crab. As you can see. Hey, just let it. Return it to the water. Huh? Oh, the young boy has an injury. I have to do first aid. I have to do first aid. Sorry for the injury, just come around. Sorry for the injury. Let me see. Oh, sorry, let me just wash it. You'll be well, eh? How are you feeling now? A little bit better, eh? Yes. Yeah. It will be fine, eh? Let's proceed and go home. Guys have done first aid. Some thorny trees. Umeshika fish. Let's walk around. Eh? Uko. What is it? Let's move around and see. Bring your hand, eh? Let's move ahead, guys. And we need to do something, eh? You guys.
Yes.
We need to do something. This is a very nice scenery. Can we do a run?
There is a river.
There's a river where?
There.
We have a river. You want to show us the river, eh?
Yes.
So we can move around, eh?
Even we can
And you want
make
to?
a house here.
You want to make a house? You want to live here, you guys?
Yes.
Why?
Now we cannot live here. There is a
There is a monster.
monster. There is no monster in this world.
There's no monster, you guys.
That's a lie.
You is alive, one. Yes. Well, yes. Come and show us some. Check on these guys. What is it here?
A hole.
There is a wild animal here that was digging. It is called what? That animal is called what?
Snake.
It's not a snake. It's a porcupine. You know a porcupine?
Yes. It's dig inside.
Yeah, the
It's always
porcupine.
sleeping.
The porcupine. They like eating ants. You know the ants
Yes.
and insects. So when you see them,
Mites.
yeah, that's the right word. The mites. So when you see them digging a place like this, they are digging. This is a house for mites, and that's exactly where they get their food, right?
They keep their food.
Yeah, they keep their food. And sometimes you guys, you need to be careful because, just move, say back
They
off.
can come.
Yeah, one thing, after doing the digging and eating the ants, the snakes can hide right inside the hole
They can live there.
and live there. They make it a home. So you stop getting close to such places because they are dangerous, eh?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Let's go ahead and see. This environment is actually so beautiful, eh? It's a windy day. Just check everything right from there. Beautiful environment, beautiful trees. Right into the jungle. Let's move ahead, guys. Just check.
Some holes.
Some more.
Holes.
Some more what?
Holes.
For the porcupine, eh? Yeah, stop getting close. You can. You see, I told you snakes, they like to live there. But you haven't seen any, eh? You have.
Not deep.
Yeah, it's not deep. We haven't encountered any, eh?
This is the one.
And right behind me,
Yeah, it's a river.
there's a river. Deep. The water is flowing. Let's move.
There is a lot of fish here.
Yeah, you guys, they fish.
Yes.
Really?
If you remember, we come here with
Who has ever caught fish here?
Yeah, come here.
Really?
We came here with Alex, and then we came with a fishing.
You are fishing,
Yes. But then we saw some children fishing.
and then did you catch fish?
No, they catch the fish.
They catch the fish. You saw with your own eyes the fish.
Yes.
You like the fish?
There was
There was?
It was small.
As so young ones, eh?
Young one.
Oh,
Like for me, nah.
like the daga. And you guys, who knows how to sing?
To swim.
To sing.
To sing.
Yes, you know it is good to sing while we walk around.
Yeah, I know.
What kind of song do you sing? You know it? Coming around, taking a walk right into the forest. Right into the... We are having a nature walk, eh? Hey, you say a wonderful what? Come and tell them. Come and tell them. I like the way you put it. You say we are having a...
Wonderful work.
Can you tell them?
This is a wonderful work.
This is a wonderful bag right in the
Nature.
right into in the forest. You guys, you can be a good YouTuber, you guys. You see, I like the way you're coming up, eh? I really like it. Hey guys, come just get close to me. Don't stay right back, eh? And I can see something there. Eh? What does I can see? What is it? Are you guys tired? Guys, are you tired?
No.
You're not tired?
Yes.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Are you enjoying?
Yes.
You guys. Today is a very wonderful day, eh?
Yes.
Eh? Just check the scenery behind. We walking around and having fun. We having fun right in there?
Forest.
We are having fun right in there?
Forest.
Ayya. I need to show you something. Come.
Too hot in here.
Yeah?
It's too hot.
It's too hot, eh?
Yes.
Let's get into a shade and you guys, are you able to jump over here?
Yes. I'm gonna jump.
Yeah, wait. Jump. One, another one. Jump. You can jump. Jump. Wait, jump. Let me hold this one. This young man is still young. He cannot jump around himself. Let me assist him. Eh?
Come. No.
Hey, Noel. Hey, come. Oh, you jumping, eh? Twendeni huku. We having fun. We having fun right in there.
Forest.
Right in there.
Forest.
Hey, what's that? What's that? I hear some noise.
Yes.
Very tall trees. Eucalyptus. This is how it looks like, eh? You guys be careful while walking around, eh? Hold my hand. Young man, hold my hand. You see where I'm taking you guys?
There is wire.
There's a hole here.
Wow, a
big one. Let's walk, let's walk. Let's go and hide there. Huh? Something? Such a big thing, eh? Huh? You put what? We're getting deep into the forest. Yes. Wow. Such a beautiful area. Hey, here. That's the sound of a
Bird.
What kind of bird is that? It's singing really well.
Hummingbird.
It's called a?
Hummingbird.
Oh, it's a hummingbird, eh?
Yes.
Right? Beautiful in the forest. And we're having fun.